So coming to the first video, that is anti-aging tips in the form of foods. So what foods can keep you young and youthful all the time? So it is like, see, aging is one very important thing, and aging is a natural process. So nobody should think that because you have aged and your age is increasing, you should not think that you are getting old and your capacity decreases, your efficiency in performing the activities, your efficiency in performing your duties or achievements, they don't go according to the age. Actually, whenever the age increases, you gain all the experiences out of your mistakes what you have done in the past. So anti-aging is only the foods what I'm telling, so that they give the boost for your future activities and you gain more energy and you will perform more better by not repeating the same mistakes what you were doing in the past, whether in the form of the food mistakes or in the form of your mistakes in your career or in the profession or in the family. So just very briefly I will just tell about the foods. So coming to the food, so very everyone is crazy about the foods which keep them youthful and young. So you need to take the foods which are high in protein, that is high protein diet is very important, because these high protein, they build the muscle mass, and muscle mass is actually very important to maintain your age also. It even maintains the postures, it even gives so much of energy to do your regular activities, and also if you will not get tired easily if your muscles are strong, and even the bone density. So coming to the foods, high protein diet, that is all the dairy products, paneer, and then soya, broccoli, egg, lean meat, chicken, meat, all those things are high in protein. Sprout in the vegetarian sprouts and lentils, all these things are high in protein. So high protein diet is very important to maintain the muscle strength, and it includes even the skin rejuvenation. It even causes the hair growth and the hair fall control, everything. So protein is a building block of all the things. So you need to be taking high protein, approximately 1.2 gram to 1.5 gram per kg body weight. So for example, if you are 50 kg or 60 kg, you need to be taking at least 50 to 60 grams of protein per day. Okay, this is about the protein. And then everyone says like, carbohydrates are not good, but actually you require carbohydrates also, otherwise your skin becomes sulky. So but what carbohydrates you are supposed to take? You are supposed to take complex carbohydrate. Like usually these complex carbohydrates are present in the vegetables and the fruits. Most commonly they exist in the fruits, in the form of the starch and in a high complex carbohydrate. So you need to take all the fruits and vegetables which are rich in complex carbohydrates, so that they are very easy to metabolize and their glycemic index are relatively low when compared to the simple carbohydrate. It also includes these fibers and fruits which contain more of vitamin C. Again, this vitamin C is good for your health and the hair. It also increases your immunity. So complex carbohydrates are very good for your health. And the third important thing is high fiber. So high fiber, they also contain more of probiotic component, and it also gives the gut immunity. So you need to take more of high fiber diet, like green leafy vegetables and fruits and vegetables, and the whole fruits are more important. I recommend all the time to consume the entire fruit rather than making it a juice. So high fiber diet, and even cereals and oats, ragi, all these things, they are rich in high fiber. So they also help in mobilizing your gut. It increases your gut immunity, and it is also rich in complex carbohydrate, which is very good for your health and the skin and your aging problems. So, and the most important thing is water. Please do not neglect the importance of consuming more water, because water all the time hydrates your skin. It hydrates your vital organs like heart, kidney and liver, which is very crucial for your health. So and even water moisturizes your skin from internally. See, you need to apply moisturizers, but the very important thing is you need to get hydrated from inside. Then only that glow you will get on the skin also, and all your metabolism happens very much normally. So this is all about the food. So if you have still more doubts, or if you want anything in detail, you can please comment in the comment section. Thank you.